Oh, okay, yeah. In the last video, we learned how to transpose using the transpose function. Sometimes you don't necessarily need to use the transpose function. You can just copy the data and then paste it by transposing it. So another way to do that is to manually copy, which is what we do is we copy the data, copy it, and then we come to where we want to paste the data. We click on option. So this is the transpose button, you see, then click it. That's all. We have our data rearranged in the order at which we want it. So sometimes maybe a very long data is just very simple and straightforward to do using transpose. Thank you. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.